Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to do a poll on TikTok. It is so easy and so quick. First, go on your plus icon and then select a video or a photo that you might use in this video. For example, we'll use this one. Go next, and now go on the sticker side, and then you'll need to choose the poll side that is upper on your screen. Go and you can simply ask questions. Who is better, Ronaldo, Messi? And simply you have done it, guys. Now you know how to do a poll on TikTok. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video, and if you have any problems, comment down below. We are here for you to get you a solution.